Hey, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com, here to demonstrate how to make a Scooby Snack shot. Take your shaker, add some ice. Now this is equal parts coconut rum, melon liqueur, and pineapple juice. We're using Malibu and melon liqueur. You can use Midori. So equal parts, so half an ounce of each. And half an ounce of pineapple juice and a little bit of whipped cream. Just shake it up. Now this is fairly popular, maybe with the younger crowd. The alcohol content's pretty low with this one, but it is delicious. And pour it into your shot glass. And there you go. That's a Scooby Snack shot. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in apparel like this, head over to bartendertees.com. We carry a full line of bartender t-shirts, hats, tank tops, sweatshirts, and hoodies, and accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.